This is Professor Darif Seitz. This video shows how to calculate confidence interval critical values for the standard normal distribution. Key idea here is that to determine a left critical value and a right critical value minus ZC and ZC, such that the probability of an outcome in the standard normal distribution, which is represented by Z for Z-scores, that probability will be equal to the level of confidence C that we're interested in. In this spreadsheet, there's only one input cell in blue here, the level of confidence, 87%, entered as a decimal. Everything else is automatically calculated. The level of significance, which is the complement of the level of confidence, is the area in the two tails. The percent here is a probability of the central region. And here we have the two tails. Alpha over 2 is the area in one tail, and we'll use that along with the normal inverse function to calculate the left critical value, which is on the left-hand side. It's negative, and it's rounded to 5 decimal places in the spreadsheet. And the right critical value is simply symmetrical on the other side. It's the negative of the left one.